Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom website shortcut to your home screen on Sony Xperia 10.5. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Right here, find the website that you want to add as a shortcut. Then click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now you can name this icon however you like. When you're ready, click on Add and it should be sent to your home screen. We can check it out, I think right here as the last page. If you click on it, it instantly opens a website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.